just go on the same spot I threw it. Should still be coming in. Yeah? I'm getting some bites.
You are?
Yeah. Getting some nibbles. You are? Oh. That was a quick one. Oh.
Pulled it. Oh yeah.
Some little thing on when I moved it. Oh, it's a baby flathead.
A little flatty.
Yeah. I didn't even feel a bite.
Cool. Yeah, nice.
It's a cutie.
Yeah.
You want to get it off?
No, not really.
Me neither.
How many times it gets
I'm
stabbed?
scared. Scared of these little ones.
Yeah. Got it. Shoo.
Cute, eh? They're good when they're that small.
Yeah.
Oh, he's just burying him himself there.
False alarm.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm on.
Holy yes. See what you got. Shouldn't be too hard to beat my size.
I reckon. Shiny one.
Yeah.
It's not bigger.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one.
Yep. Good. On again. Might be a flatty. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. I'm getting bites too. Oh yeah. pick up.
It could be a floaty. It's not doing much.
Yeah?
Go around the tree, go around the tree.
Yeah, like she'll be in the water, bro.
What is it? Toadfish.
Is it?
Big toady.
It's a lump of a thing.
Big branch.
Yeah, I saw that.
I'm not gonna put it out. Here it is, look.
Yeah, that's big sucker.
Okay, there you go. It's just
Oh, he's
come off.
busted off.
It's chewed me off.
Cool.
There's a floaty, she would have done a lot more moving.
Yeah. Holy.
Cool. What's that?
What is that? That pufferfish is coming back with
look at
revenge.
it. That is. Let's find out.
Be funny if it is the same thing again.
Crab. Not doing a lot of swimming anywhere, just struggling.
Yeah.
Oh. Hitchhikes.
What the hell?
It's not going anywhere.
Bit hard to see.
Oh, look at it.
What do you got?
It's an eel.
Oh, really?
Oh, good one.
Holy shit,
Wow.
that's massive, bro.
It's feisty, eh? Look at
Holy mother.
that. An ugly fish.
Dude, that's ugly.
Oh, there you go. It's off. Look.
Wow, that's big.
You can feel it's like it was going through the weeds.
Yeah.
I thought it might have been a crab.
Mm.
Okay. Getting some good stuff tonight.
Cool.
Oh, come on.
What the heck?
Oh, look.
Just trying to look at a crab.
Look at that. Just peeling some line off.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're getting all the bites tonight.
I know. Is it a real fish? Oh, it looks big.
A real one. Oh, that's a big Moses.
That's a real one.
That's big.
Yeah.
Cripes.
Good.
Definitely a real fish.
Mm.
Good.
Nice.
Hmm. That would have scared the crab.
Yeah, he's just cruising over
Oh, he's just cruising over there.
there. Yeah. Good. Drops are getting heavier.
Yeah, I can hear a bit more rain happening. Crab's back. Is that a muddy?
Yeah.
It is, yeah. I want some blue swimmers. Oh, my line's going. Saw that.
Yep. That was one pulled out.
One only?
Oh, you got your bait now.
Yeah, I had the big prawn head on.
Uh-huh. Gone.
Hmm. The rain's starting to come down and my rod's bouncing.
So it's going to come down a little bit in this
Yep.
area. My bait's gone,
Oh yeah?
which means I'm done. You can say if you want.
No, I'm just waiting for mine to stop biting. No, nothing on it. Done. Oh, at least we caught a few fish tonight.